Okay, so let's continue on. So at the moment we've got, I'm just going to get rid of this just to have some more real estate. At the moment we've got about another 600 frames to go. Mind you, there's a bit of a block here. Yeah, not really. So let's carry on. Let's go back to this pose. Okay. And so this is all what we're doing. We're just pretty much just slowly making our way through. I mean, it's not rocket science, but we are just kind of just, you know, putting you in natural poses. I do love this rig though, just the way it reacts and yeah. So, whoops, let's just get back to that one. Rotate. No, the wrong way. Just slowly. And I mean, I think this is just the way that I do it. I mean, obviously there's plenty of other ways. I mean, if you watch other videos, I mean, I have done animating, yes, but it only has been personal projects. So far I've done 3 films. The first film that I ever did though was, it was a lot more than I could chew. The first film was 6 months it took me to make. That was a long film. Considering the fact, it took me probably like 3 or 4. Sorry, what am I saying? It would have taken me about 2 months to render. And I was able to convince my wife to buy a new graphics card. So I went from a GTX 560 to a GTX. Oh, there we go. To a GTX 980. So that is a pretty big improvement. So I was very grateful that my wife let me purchase that. And I do want to look into some more oomph. So oops, let's just get to that. Didn't keyframe that one. I am looking probably in the near future to getting some more oomph. Now I don't know if I should go CPU and, you know, maybe even go for like a server, my own render farm, which would be nice. You know, you can never complain about having your own render farm. So now this is just this bit where now I'm just going to start. Oh, excuse me. So I'm going to just start opening up the hand because he's going to kind of looking around. I'm getting ready to. Don't see anyone. And there's that finger. So let's just go back to this point. And so we're just giving, like, I'm just, just giving the subtle motions. Because obviously nobody's still, especially me. I'm pretty fidgety. So, I mean, even just that little movement there. I mean, it's pretty much almost like laying out the keyframe. I love the intensity of looking at the finger. Oh gosh, I'm terrible. And I think that hand should probably rotate. But yes, I mean, we've all got kind of goals in where we want to be. And so I do not ever see myself doing this full time. Oh, it would be great. I'd love to be an animator. However, whoops. I do have, a family to take care of. So, obviously I'm going to put them before me because I don't think I'm going to be able to pay the bills that I have being a animator just yet. You never know. Something might happen. But I mean, I do this for the love. I love short films. The whole reason why I got into 3D stuff was because I wanted to get into acting, but because you gotta just get like a standout role in something or some other rubbish. I didn't really see that happening, so I kind of took it upon myself to learn Blender. I kind of wish though, I wish I stuck with Blender when I first found out. Because I mean, when I first found out about Blender, we're going back years. Why doesn't that not look right? Yeah, years and years. When it was before 2.5, I would probably even say, close your fist, buddy. Close your fist. But yeah, I kind of wish I got on the bandwagon much earlier. But oh well. What are you going to do? So how does it actually look? His legs are in a bit of a weird spot, but that's fine. Might actually just move him back. He's still got this hand on his chest, hasn't moved. But I mean, I haven't even made it move. Oh! Talking about moving hands. Oh. Let's just keyframe that one. But yeah, it's nice. The one thing that I do love about animating though, or working with 3D in general, is that I can, with minimal time that I have, I can do something in 5-10 minutes, walk away and come back. That's something that really draws me into doing this kind of stuff. I don't have to stop for... Okay, there we go. Oops, there we go. I can just come in and just get it done. Turn. Come on, buddy. Oh, jeez. Let's just fix this hand up now. But I'm still amazed over this rig. It's just such a nice rig. Like the guys at the Blender Institute really have outdone themselves. Mind you, I haven't worked with too many rigs, but okay, so I know that at this point, what happens? What happens at this point? I can't remember. I don't know. all of the smugness. Like, oh yeah, this is fine. Look, it's not wet. It's not wet. See, look. And then the person walks past. I would be freaked out if someone did that to me. Like, what? Okay, let's do the last push. Let's try and just get all the blocking done. Okay, so let's go from here. Which ones do I have to keyframe? Hold R. Whoops. Control Z. And yeah. So we've almost finished the blocking. Almost. This hand can just swing around a little bit more. And yeah, obviously with the reference footage, I think, I reckon I've done alright by myself. Like, I'm just happy with my performance. I have done a bit of impro back in the day. I haven't done it for a while. But you know, it's good to be able to be a little bit silly when you're doing reference footage, because I mean, especially if you're trying to do something a little bit funny, and if you can't laugh at yourself, then what's the chance of somebody else laughing at you? It's a bit weird, but that's pretty much the best way to put it. If you're not gonna laugh at yourself, why is somebody else gonna laugh at you? Okay, then we go to this point. Arm extended. We're almost done. He's really like, look at this. Smell my finger. Really letting this person just know that there's something on my finger. Or there's something that should be on my finger, but it's not. So that's pretty cool. Oh gosh, small things amuse small minds.